Hey, my name's Adam, and this is my 2022 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van 170. It's kind of a rare bird. This is a gasoline engine. It's a turbo 4, 9-speed transmission. This thing's got pep. I'm 8,000 pounds, fully loaded, and I can still pass vehicles on the highway. I've led a long career of pro BMXer, which led me into mountain biking. Through all the road trips and everything, I feel like it kind of prepared me to just getting a van. So through my whole search, I ended up doing the one thing that I didn't think I was going to do, and that was buying a brand new empty chassis and then getting a builder and having it all built out. I ended up going with Outlook Van Company out of Bakersfield, California. They worked with my wife and I on our really tight budget. All right, so come on in. This is the sliding door area where you come in. Got, of course, sink, expandable thing here, filtered water here as well. Use this sometimes. I can eat off this. Also extra cutting board area for food, and conveniently goes down like that. So of course you gotta have the flip down outside table. So for cooking meals, we didn't want a permanently mounted stovetop burner, but so we got a removable induction cooktop 2-burner off Amazon. I think it was actually used. I got it, so saved a little money there. Cook stuff there, spice rack, and when we're not using it, we can free up all this space on the countertop, and it's just easily goes in here.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
All right, coming down to the drawers where we keep all the kitchen stuff, utensils and everything. Keep granola in here. Fridge right here. This is just a basic college dorm fridge. I think it was 300 bucks or something off Amazon. It works awesome. The only problem that I really had with it from the beginning was it kept falling, the door kept going open. So I came up with a little hack here. There's a hinge on the left and right so you can have the door open either way, and there's holes that are pre-made in here. So I took this little piece of metal and bent it so it actually latches itself, and the fridge door does not open at all, and it's the cheapest hack ever. My wife Jennifer and I have tons of space in here. We easily can eat out here for a week. Freezer is a little small, so it's mostly fresh foods, but we kind of try to eat whole foods are fresh anyway when we're on the road, and haven't run out of space yet. All right, so microwaves. Is it worth having it or not? Takes up a decent amount of space. For us, microwave is worth it. This was used off Amazon. I think it was like 90 bucks. So it's small. It just saves time. I don't know. It's just convenient, and we don't use it every day, but it is nice to have, and I think it's worth it. Okay, shower is next. Big debate on the shower, and even bigger debate of what size to make it. For my wife and I and all the riding that we do, we live in the Southwest. A shower was definitely a must. Also, that pushed us into the 170 from a 144 Sprinter van. Totally worth it in my opinion. We got the sliding door here. You know, got the wand. This basket, we just all body wash, hair, everything. Keep it simple, you know. Toilet. We have a dry flush toilet I got from Yanaka Gear, and it works. It's great. It's awesome. If you have a shower, you're going to need fresh water to use it. We have 46 gallons of fresh water. We tried to go a little bit big on that living in Arizona. When you run out of water, you're headed home and the fun ends. So shower, I'm 6'1", I have shoes on and a hat, and it works. And it's comfortable too. So one thing that was super important was having swivel seats on driver and passenger for my wife and I. I've heard it before, but it really does open up the whole front of the van and just uses a space that you normally wouldn't use. My wife works from the van a lot, So this is her little workstation. We also eat here as well, and she just works from a laptop with Starlink, and she's a happy camper. And she's accompanied by the kitty pillow, very grandma style. This bench seat, the angles on it are perfect, the height of it perfect. Also, tons of storage. We decided to get the Van Essentials backseat organizers for passenger and driver side. Tons of small little pockets. We got Badger Bomb sunscreen, bug spray, slippers, water bottles. All right, overhead storage compartment here. The first thing that I got, seriously, when we got the full build out was a good emergency kit. So we got the My Medic in here, just in case anything happens of riding or anything worse than that. This thing will cover everything else. We kind of use this space also for like our bathroom type stuff. So Q-tips, toothbrush stuff. Okay, so I'm sitting in our shower on my toilet, but I wanted to show you guys the doggy door to the garage, which we don't have a dog, but, and yes, I can fit through there if I do it just right. Another cool feature is we wanted a step so we could step up into the bed. So Outlook Van Company hooked it up with a rock climbing feature in our van. It works great. So now let's move on to the bed. All right, so we're in the bedroom. This is a queen size memory foam mattress, straight off Amazon, knockoff brand, super cheap. Tons of cabinets here. Kind of split it up, obviously, his and hers. Yeah, soft clothes. We got fresh air swamp cooler up here. Works great. Again, no humidity in the Southwest, so it works really good for us. We got our little pill-shaped window here with the Van Essentials window cover, and I threw that extra layer in there. This is nice just to have like a nice cross breeze when we're up in the mountains. All right, so welcome to the garage. We had to balance our space here between our headspace for our bed and then also where our grips need to clear the frame of the bed. So we have a slide out for both bikes. Again, our whole build was really built around having bikes inside the van. Can't steal them out of the elements and all that. And we're super happy with everything. We got 46 gallons of fresh water over here. We got all electrical over here. We got these Unaka mounts. They come with spacers, pretty much any setup of how high you need your bars to clear your slide to fit in. You're gonna be able to find a way to make that happen. All right, one last thing, power. On the roof, got 650 watts of solar, 3,000 watt inverter, and 400 amp hour batteries for the house to power everything. We have no gas, no propane to cook with or anything. Living in the Southwest, we kind of designed the van around where we live, and where we live is sunny all the time. So we went with totally renewable energy and super stoked on the system. We have plenty of power for everything. So we got plumbing over here, hot water heater. It's a 5-gallon hot water heater. The thing gets piping hot. I love it. It's awesome. Also have some storage for bike stuff. We got our outdoor shower, of course, which actually comes in handy for a quick rinse off, rinse the bike down, all that good stuff. Simple latch. All right, up front for the most epic lighting, I got Baja Designs LP4s for my ditch lights. Coming down on the front bumper, everything on the front bumper is mounted to a plate from Portland Van Company. It's basically made for sprinters and fits perfect. So we got Baja Designs LP6s right here, and then right below that we got the Baja Designs Squadrons. They're SAE approved, so you can drive all night with them on and don't have to worry about cops pulling you over. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my van. It was fun showing everybody of how I had the vision and my wife had the vision for our build out. If you are interested in more of the stuff that I do, you can follow me on Instagram at Adam Banton. And a lot of bike stuff, a lot of van stuff, just pretty fun adventures. If you guys like granola and supporting rider-owned businesses, I run this small organic granola company, The Biker and Baker, with my wife. We are available online, and you can follow The Biker and Baker on Instagram too, at The Biker and Baker. All organic, gluten-free, anti-inflammatory ingredients. Thanks a lot, guys. Have fun.